Welcome, everyone. I wish you a great morning full of patriotism on the special occasion of 74th Independence Day. Independence Day is one of the national days which holds tremendous grounds as it serves as a reminder to every Indian of the dawn of a new beginning for our country, the day it was set free from the clutches of British colonization. This is a day of pride and joy for every citizen of the country. As we complete 73 years of independence, let's take a moment to acknowledge with gratitude the efforts of our freedom fighters. Over 100 years ago, an inspirational poet, Subramanya Bharati, put in words the goals of our freedom movement.
ஆயுதம் செய்வோம் நல்ல காகிதம் செய்வோம் ஆலைகள் வைப்போம் கல்வி சாலைகள் வைப்போம் மந்திரம் கற்போம் வினை தந்திரம் கற்போம் வானை அளப்போம் கடல் மீனை அளப்போம் சந்திர மண்டலத்தியல் கண்டு தெளிவோம் சந்தி தெரு பெருக்கும் சாத்திரம் படைப்போம்.
This can be interpreted as we will learn both scripture and science. We will explore both heavens and oceans. We will unravel the mysteries of the moon, and we will sweep our streets clean too. So let's take a moment to pledge to not let their efforts be in vain, and to pledge to carry their ideals forward in our struggle to make contemporary India free from all else, such as corruption, narrow-mindedness, crime, importantly COVID in this present situation, that keep it from being the great nation that we know India can be. At the same time, do not forget to take a deeper look at what freedom means to us individually. Thank you. I request everyone to stand up for the flag hoisting.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Good morning, everyone. I like to invite all the beloved persons for this Independence Day celebration. I would like to invite our director, our MS sir, additional MS ma'am, and all the other senior faculties, DDA sir, Dean Academic and Dean Research for this patriotic moment. Then
Now I would like to invite the director to address the gathering.
Esteemed members of the faculty, staff members working in various areas of the institute, students, guests and friends, Vanakkam. My greetings to all of you on the occasion of our 74th Independence Day. This day, the Independence Day of India, has a special place in our lives and in our hearts. On this day in the year, more than on any other day, we think of the sacrifices made by our leaders to regain independence from a foreign power and of the vision that they had for our country. Like for all birthdays that we celebrate for ourselves and for our family members, the Independence Day is a day of introspection and of celebration. Introspection into our achievements and failures, of the problems we face, and of the way ahead. Both as a country and as part of various institutions such as our institute that we belong to. It's also a day of celebration of our independence, liberty, democracy, and of our achievements. Let's start with celebration. That's, I think, a more positive thing to begin with. Over the past few years, and possibly even decades, India has had a lot to celebrate. However, we can't say that of the more recent times. We can see our celebration today is much more muted. Our mood is very somber. The recent months have been quite challenging. But that's true not only for us, but for the entire world. If you think forwards, when we remember this year 2020, several years later, when we talk to our colleagues, for some of us to our children, for others to their grandchildren, and maybe even our great-grandchildren, this year will be remembered as the year of COVID-19 or coronavirus. This tiny virus has changed our lives in a way that we could not even have imagined when we met here last year, or for that matter, earlier this year on the Republic Day. It has caused illness, death, loss of livelihood, breakdown of social life, and misery. It has disrupted healthcare systems around the world. Our institute, JIPMER, being on the forefront of healthcare delivery in the country, of course, has been severely affected, just like every healthcare system in the world. Our services have been disrupted. We have not been able to teach our students. We have not been able to deliver our usual patient care services to the people for the last several months. We have not been able to achieve several targets that we had set for ourselves. Research studies have been disrupted. The work in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare that is so important for our progress as an institution has been slowed down, budgets have been cut. Looking at it from another angle, the period has been very tiring from an emotional point of view also. It has made each of us feel powerless against the force of nature, against a tiny virus. It has made us feel that we have been cruel towards our patients, for we have had to abandon their patient care. And that's something, a cross that's very difficult to bear for us healthcare workers. It has made us adapt to new social ways of not being able to meet our colleagues, our friends, our family members, our parents, our children, and to spend time with dear ones. And that's something, emotions, meeting people is a basic human necessity, and that has been taken away from us. All of us, whether doctors, nurses, technicians, people who work in operation theaters, other healthcare workers, people who work in offices, each of us have our respective specializations and super specializations. However, what have we done over the last few months? We have had to rediscover ourselves as general workers, looking after a seemingly simple and mundane infectious disease, learning infection control measures, learning isolation, things that were not thought to be important any longer once we had super specialized so much. However, let's look at it in another way. How have we fared as the JIPMER family? I feel, and I must point it out to you, that we, the JIPMER family, have done well. We have been able to set up an excellent facility for the diagnosis and treatment of patients with COVID-19. We started with nearly 230 beds, have now expanded it to about 325 beds. Yes, some things we have not been possible, but this was the call of the country, this was the call of the society, this is what we were expected to do, and we have tried to do that, and not reasonably, more than reasonably successfully. The facility seemed something, why are we doing this? But today we can say that it is serving patients with COVID-19, a large number of them. Our focus has been that in the area that we are located, we should provide for care of patients with more severe disease. Though the number of seriously ill patients was initially small, this has increased over time. At the current time, when I went in yesterday, nearly 80 patients had moderately severe, or critical illness. They were on oxygen, they were on ventilators, they were on NIV. And a large majority of our patients have comorbid conditions, which increase the risk of disease, of severe disease, which increase the risk of mortality. And to my understanding, our results have been good. All this has been possible because of everyone's hard work and help. All those working at JIPMER, whether they are the institute staff or those working for the various agencies that work for us, have contributed to our success, JIPMER success. I take this opportunity to formally and sincerely thank one and all on my personal behalf and on behalf of the institute for making this possible. Times have been trying. Several of our co-workers have themselves been infected, some at work, possibly more via the community. However, fortunately, till now, all of them have generally done well, and the JIPMER family has been able to avoid too much suffering on this count. We need to be grateful to the Almighty for this, and we need to pray that the situation continues to remain so. Let's look forward from where we are today. We need to understand that we are still in a relatively early phase of the pandemic. This is not the peak. We are still much before the peak. And whether there will be one peak or more peaks, we don't know. It's an area where only one thing is certain, and that is we are uncertain about everything. The remaining part of the current calendar year and possibly the next year will continue to be challenging. Let's hope it will be short, but we cannot be certain. We will all need to work harder than usual, harder than what we are doing even today, to serve the population of our draining areas and to steer the institute and the institute community through this disaster. In this fight, our key will be for all of us to work together. If we are united, we would succeed. There will be challenges, pressure of extra work, possible personal tragedies and bereavement, lack of social interaction, among others. We will need to work extra, we will need to fight the fear of disease, we will have to find ways to deal with stress and social isolation, and to support each other through difficult times. I can promise you that if we all stick together and support each other, we will be successful, we will succeed, it will be possible for us to weather this terrible storm. In the end, a few pieces of advice and a few requests to each of you and each of those who are unable to be here because of the distancing norms, but believe are listening to it or would have access to what I say. This disease is unlike others. It spreads fast, unlike anything that we have known till date. But there is a silver lining. It spreads fast, but its prevention is extremely simple and does not need high technology. We need to follow distancing norms, we need to wear masks. If we all do so, it will help us avoid a lot of disease, a lot of stress, a lot of misery, a lot of bad outcomes. Let me, at the cost of repetition, say this. We need to avoid large meetings. We need to replace these with phone calls, video conferencing. We need to continue to do that. What Professor Bade is trying to tell everybody, please, all of you, can you spread out? Don't worry, come behind me. If you come in the picture of the camera, don't worry. Come this side, please, all of you spread out. The mask has to extend from the bridge of the nose to beneath the chin. Many of us, very surprisingly, bring down the mask when we meet a familiar person or when we speak. That's unsafe. We need to have our mask on all the time. When you meet anybody, act as if anybody you are meeting is infected, whether it is me, whether it is a close relative, whether it is a friend, whether it is a colleague. And none of us minds that. We need to be particularly careful in social small group settings. 3 friends sitting together, 5 of us going together to a meeting. We need to be particularly careful in that setting. And also particularly when we eat together. Masks come down, when we speak, when we eat, there is a greater amount of viral excretion, so we need to be careful. Given the situation as it is, particularly in Puducherry where transmission at this time is at a real high, all these practices of bringing the mask down when we meet a friend, of eating together, are unacceptable. These carry undue risk. Why should we take that risk? Why we, of all people in medical profession, or even in paramedical professions, everybody, we know the risks much better than others do. And we also have a responsibility because people look up to us and follow what we do. I personally, with folded hands, request each of you and each of the people associated with the Institute to kindly follow the precautions fully and universally. That means at all times, for your safety, for the sake of your families at home, and for the sake of the Jipmer family. Let me end here. At the personal level, I am quite hopeful that we, the Jipmer family, will be able to withstand this major challenge and will emerge at the end of it with our heads high. I need your support for this. We all need each other's support for this, and I'm sure we would do this. Thank you, Nandri. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your thoughtful talk and for enlightening us about the precautionary measures for COVID-19.
Now, to build an air of positivity and encouragement, let's proceed with the performances prepared by our people of Jipmer.
May I request Professor Bade to kindly speak on the occasion? Professor Bade, please.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, let me wish all of you a happy Independence Day. I know this will be my probably the last Independence Day as an official of a Jipmer. And I remember I joined Jipmer in 1983. And from that day, this institute has given me total independence in my work and in my behavior. So till today, I have seen how to act independently, and also I have learned a lot of things that independence is associated with, and that is the responsibility. And I think I have done fairly well tackling the independence given to me in the patient management and other work. And all of you, I just request one thing, that everybody has to work independently, but we should not forget the responsibilities come with it. I take this also opportunity to thank and appreciate the efforts of all the freedom fighters. Few of them are my heroes. One of them is Subhash Chandra Bose, which all of you know that he said, "You give me blood and I give you freedom." And this donating blood is very, very important, especially in the present situation. As you all know, a lot of patients are there who need blood, either for tackling the effect of the corona or for the other problems. So all of us should rise to the occasion and donate blood. We also have to remember that today we are free and we are enjoying and celebrating this freedom today. But we must also thank all the defense personnel and our security personnel who have been sacrificing their life even today, and so that we are able to live happily and with a freedom in this country. And this country, I think, is one of the greatest countries in the world, which I think all of you should agree. And we have been doing fairly well. Before end, I will just like to quote one more freedom fighter, one of the greatest freedom fighters in India. That is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. What he said is, freedom is my birthright. So that I think we must remember, and we had to see that we nurture this freedom. But at the same time, we also remember the other part of that, which is not quoted many times, that with the rights, we have responsibilities. So we have to rise to this occasion, especially in these times, and take our responsibilities very seriously and do that. To end, I would like to thank the directors and others for giving me and listening to me on this occasion. Thank you. And once again, I wish all of you a happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your such a patriotic speech. Your speech made us to remember all the important freedom fighters who gave their lives for us. And we are saddened by the fact that this is your last Independence Day celebration as an official officer in JIPMER. Now, I would like to start with the performances. I request Dr. Lata ma'am and Dr. Veena ma'am from the Department of Obs and Gynae.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini, Sumadura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Thank you, Dr. Lata and Dr. Veena, for the melodious performance. Next up, I'd like to call upon Mrs. Shivagami, Senior Nursing Officer.
Good morning to one and all. Happy Independence Day to all. நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கிழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் திக்கனமும் மதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிரிநுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திறமியந்த செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shivagami, for your melodious performance. Now, we would like to listen to a performance given by Dr. Bhavana S. Bade, who is the senior faculty in the Department of Pathology.
On this occasion of Independence Day, my obeisance to all the freedom fighters who has given their lives for the Indian freedom. Swatantraveer Savarkar was known for his Rashtra Bhakti, presenting the composition by Swatantraveer Savarkar in Marathi. जयोस्तुते श्री महन्मंगले शिवास्पदे शुभदे स्वतंत्रते भगवती त्वामहं यशोयुतां वन्दे जयोस्तुते श्री महन्मंगले शिवास्पदे शुभदे स्वतंत्रते भगवती त्वामहं यशोयुतां वन्दे राष्ट्राचे चैतन्यमूर्त तू नीतिसंपदांची राष्ट्राचे चैतन्यमूर्त तू नीतिसंपदांची स्वतंत्रते भगवती श्रीमती राज्ञी तू त्यांची, परवशतेच्या नभात तुझी आकाशी होशी, स्वतंत्रते भगवती, स्वतंत्रते भगवती चांदणी चमचम लखलखशी, वंदे त्वामहं यशोयुतां वंदे, यशोयुतां वंदे, जयोस्तुते, जयोस्तुते श्रीमन्मङ्गले शिवास्पदे शुभदे, स्वतंत्रते भगवती त्वामहं यशोयुतां वंदे, यशोयुतां वंदे, मोक्षमुक्तिः तुझीच रूपे तुलाच वेदांती, मोक्षमुक्तिः तुझीच रूपे तुलाच वेदांती, स्वतंत्रते भगवती योगी जन परब्रह्म वदती, जे जे उत्तम उदात्त उन्नत महन्मधुरते ते, स्वतंत्रते भगवती, स्वतंत्रते भगवती सर्व तव सहकारी होती, वंदे त्वामहं यशोयुतां वंदे, यशोयुतां वंदे, जयोस्तुते, जयोस्तुते श्रीमन्मङ्गले शिवास्पदे शुभदे, स्वतंत्रते भगवती त्वामहं यशोयुतां वंदे, यशोयुतां वंदे, वंदे, वंदे.
Thank you, Dr. Bhavna ma'am. Next, let's welcome Dr. Indrapriya, Senior Resident, Department of Neurology, and Dr. Monica, Junior Resident, Department of Pediatrics.
पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हमसाया आसमां का, पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हमसाया आसमां का, वो संतरी हमारा, वो पासवा हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा, हिंदू सिता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। सिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Thank you both for your harmonious performance. Now, I would like to call upon Dr. Garima, Senior Resident, Department of Biochemistry.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। यहाँ के कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। धानी पगड़ी पहरे मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है। नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है रे सजीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला। सिंदूरी गालों वाला सूरज जो करे ठिठोली, शर्मीले खेतों को ढक दे चूनर पीली पीली। घूंघट में रंग पनघट में रंग है रे सजीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला। हो 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 हो। अबीर गुलाल से चेहरे हैं यहाँ, मुस्कानों की टोली। रंग रंग हंसी में रंग खुशी में है ये रसीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला। इश्क का रंग यहाँ पर गहरा, चढ़ के कभी ना उतरे। सच्चे प्यार का ठहरा सा रंग, छल के पर ना बिखरे। फूलों में रंग वादों में रंग है रे सजीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। धानी पगड़ी पहरे मौसम है, नीली चादर तारे अंबर है। नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है रे सजीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Dr. Garima, for the melodious performance. Next is a pre-recorded audio put together by the students of the Jipma Music Club. It's a cover of two great songs composed by A.R. Rahman. This is our tribute to the nation as we attempt to create a cover of two equally astounding compositions, Ma Tujhe Salam and Ye Jo Desh Hai Tera.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
कभी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है, इससे नहीं स्वाद दुनिया गुबार, कहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, मैं गया जहां बस तेरी याद जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम।
Thank you, people. In spite of being in different places, you people made it possible to deliver us an amazing performance. Now, I would like to call Mrs. Anjali, medical social worker, for her performance.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान से कहेंगे हम, सभी तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I'd like to call upon Dr. Basu, HOD of Department of Pathology, to grace us with a recitation.
Morning, everyone. On today, or rather on most of the days, for us, Rabindranath Tagore is an integral part of our life, of our fabric. As you all know, he is the one who's credited with the national anthem. He wrote our own national anthem, not just our own. He's written the national anthem for Bangladesh. And if you go through his books, poems, songs, patriotic feel is always there. You really do not know whether it is the sayings to his beloved, to the God, to the country. All stems equally. So I'll just recite two poems from Tagore's own compositions. And both of these, written in Bengali, has also been translated by him in English. The first one goes as Sharthok Jonom Amar Jonmechi ei deshe. It means, blessed am I that I am born to this land and that I had the luck to love her. What care I if queenly treasure is not in her store? but precious enough is for me the living wealth of her love. The best gift of fragrance to my heart is from her own flowers, and I know not where else shines the moon that can flood my being with such loveliness. The first light revealed to my eyes was from her own sky, and let the same light kiss them before they are closed forever. The next one is from verse 35 from Gitanjali. As you all would be aware that Tagore was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize for Literature. And this is a poem that is, I think, known to most of us. Chitto jetha bhoy shunno, also known as, let me recite it in English. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your gracious literatural lines. We would like to listen to Dr. Apurba, faculty in the Department of Microbiology.
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान।
माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान।
सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान,
दूसरा हिंदुस्तान। ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India। जब छेड़ा मल्हार किसी ने, झूम के सावन आया।
आग लगा दी पानी में जब दीपक राग सुनाया।
सात सिरों का संगम ये जीवन गीतों की माला।
हम अपने भगवान को भी कहते हैं बांसुरी वाला,
बांसुरी वाला, बांसुरी वाला। ओ
Thank you, Dr. Apurv, for that refreshing take. Next is a song by Dr. Chitra, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology.
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन।
This song was actually a collaboration between Dr. Chitra, Dr. Apurva, and Dr. Suman. So I'd like to thank all three of them for this song.
So finally, we are at the important stage of the celebration. So I have been entrusted with the duty of proposing the vote of thanks for this occasion. First and foremost, I would like to thank our director, Dr. Rakesh Agarwal, for gracing this occasion with his presence. Thank you, sir. I also extend my sincere gratitude to our Dean Academic, Dr. Pankaj Kuntra, and Dean Research, Dr. R. Ravindran, and Medical Superintendent, Dr. Ashok S. Badi. Then I would like to extend my gratitude thanks to DDA, sir, Dr. Abdul Ahmed, and also to other senior faculties who are attending this celebration. Then I would like to extend my thanks to the event coordinators, Dr. Lata and Mr. Ramesh Babu, the physical instructor, sir, and the program manager, Dr. Durga Prasad, sir. Then the ITV, Dr. Ravi Chitoria, sir, and with his team, Mr. Isha, and Jupma Studio for their amazing work in the recording all the recorded versions, Mr. Mogan. Then the photographic person, Mr. Sundar, sir, thank you. Then I would like to also extend my warm thanks to the Chief Security Officers and their team and all the associations of JIPMER like JFA, JRDA, JSA and JEHO associations. And I would like to extend my thanks to the people who have sent their performances, either could be in a recorded version or the people who have attended the celebration and they presented with their live performances. And I would like to thank General Section, Sanitary Section, Horticultural Department and Department of Physical Instructions. And I would like to personally thank the UDS people for their cleaning activities in the surrounding areas yesterday. And the technical team, Mr. Muhammad and Dr. John. Then I would like to extend my thanks to Doordarshan channel for their presence here and for recording this session. So thank you. Now I am requesting everyone to rise up for the national anthem.
Janagana mana adhinayak jaya hai Bharat bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladi Taranga Tava Shubh Name Jage Tava Shubh Ashish Mage Gahe Tab